Hello guys, good evening. Please join me.
Hello, good evening to
Many times I wish you were here to the velvet shadows of my dream.
times I wish you through the darkness I'd come but here.
That you never said when I needed to hear.
Just tell me you love me. It's the word I so long to hear. Let the sun not be borrowed. Let it be hard to share.
If you tell me you love me, it will lead away to your heart, to the mirrors of silence. You love me.
Greatly I've waited for the memory fall of our first kiss.
Patiently I've waited for the moment you would take me to where that I've never seen that word before. Just tell me you love me. Whisper words I so long to hear. Let this time not be borrowed.